welcome to the Mint Report. Our wrap-up of the day's business news. Here are the top stories. RBI moves to stem rupee fall. Retail inflation remains high while industrial output grows limp 2% in April. Sensex falls for the second consecutive day. The RBI stepped in after the rupee tumbled to another record low yesterday, while the Finance Ministry promised a further easing of FDI rules. State-owned banks sold dollars at the behest of the central bank to prevent the rupee from falling below 59 to a dollar. The rupee closed at 57.79 to a dollar. Raghuram Rajan, the chief economic advisor, said the Finance Ministry plans to issue sovereign bonds to NRIs to finance the current account deficit. Rajan also said the record dip in the rupee was unwarranted and the currency was weakening despite higher debt and equity inflows and a decline in gold imports. Meanwhile, the macroeconomic data released today was equally disappointing. India's annual consumer price inflation slowed for the third straight month to 9.31% in May. Inflation rose at an annual 10.65% in May, slightly faster than the annual rise of 10.61% in April. As per data released today, India's factory output grew by 2% in April, which was below analysts' expectations. The IIP averaged 1% in fiscal year 2012-13. While mining continued to contract at 3% in April, manufacturing grew 2.8%. Lastly, the markets fell for the second consecutive day, reaching their lowest since April. The fall was led by lenders like Axis Bank, which fell on high retail inflation. Though the consumer price inflation slowed, it still remained well above RBI's comfort level. The latest data rules out hope of a rate cut in the upcoming policy review. The Sensex fell by 101 points to close at 19,041, while the Nifty fell by 50 points to end at 5,760. Falling rupee continued to stoke fears that the foreign investors will power positions. That's all for the day. Thank you for watching.